Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the base plate in the Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. Depending on the type of the screws that are used on your dishwasher, you are going to use either Phillips screwdriver or the Torx 20 screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new base panel. This good-looking base panel covers the bottom of the dishwasher and also serves as a sound barrier. Mainly the base panel should be replaced if it's corroded or badly scratched. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take the two screws on the sides of the base panel out. Remove the old base panel. This is the old base panel next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Install the new base panel in and secure it with the two Phillips screws. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.